What's up guys, it's your girl Stasia here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as y'all can see by the title, I am going to be customizing, okay, customizing the hell out of this gorgeous unit, okay. So shout out to glorylacewigs.com because that is where this unit is from. They actually sent this unit over to me to review, and yeah, I'm super appreciative for that. So yeah, if you guys would love to see how I customize this bomb unit, just feel free to sit back, relax, and keep on watching. Alright guys, so here is the packaging that the unit came in, and they were nice enough to send me some stocking caps, a rat tail comb, an elastic band, hair clips, bobby pins, woo, you name it. So here are the details for this unit, which I will definitely be sure to list everything down below in the description box for you guys, as well as the direct link for this unit and the direct link to their website. So yeah, as you guys can see, this is a pre-plucked unit and it comes with baby hairs, and yeah, it is a bob clearly because it's pretty short. Now here is the inside construction of this unit. It comes with your usual 4 combs and 2 elastic bands. So here I'm going to be showing you guys how I customize this unit, which is the basics. It's pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm not going to go into full details about that because I'm pretty sure y'all done seen this a million times before. But yeah, so anyway, let me apologize to you guys in advance because it's allergy season. Now I have allergies all year long, but it's allergy season right now, boo, and my allergies are always the worst in the springtime. So please disregard my lashes, my eyes. Just don't even look in that area, okay? It ain't even about my eyes or my face. It's about this wig, okay? So yeah, I thank you guys for returning back to my channel. Please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Thank y'all. So right here, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do additional plucking to my units. As y'all can see, it is definitely pre-plucked, and it's much easier working with pre-plucked units, but you still want to go behind that line and do additional plucking because as y'all can see, it is pretty dense behind that area. So yeah, in this part, you do want to make sure the hair is, you know, not drenched in water, but you do want to make sure the hair is a little wet. I just find that to be a lot easier to pluck the hairs, and on top of that I can see what I'm doing. So you just want to take your time section by section. This is not a task that you want to rush with. Now this tip is just for those of you who may not know how to pluck your units. So you know, I'm no expert. This is just what I do. So like I said, you just want to go section by section and just keep on plucking. But you want to take your time, like I said, and I know it may look thin in some areas, but trust me, it is not, because once you comb that first layer back, then you'll see, you know, that it's not thin at all. Personally, this is just how I prefer mine to look, a little on the thin side, because I do not, to me, it's not realistic when it's thick like that. So anyway, like I said, you just want to take your time and keep on plucking. You may have to go over the same area more than once, and that's okay. Like they say, less is more. Take off less in the beginning, and if you see that you need to do additional plucking, then fine, but just do not be plucking just to pluck, okay? You don't want that. That's how you will end up with a bald frontal. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing here. And I also want to point out to you guys, which I'm sure y'all noticed, that I did over bleach the knots. So that's why the hairline is looking a bit orangey, like blondish. Yeah, you can see it better right here, but that's okay. Now normally I would go back and correct that. This is just a simple mistake. It's definitely happened to me before in the past. Now normally, like I said, I will go back and correct that, but for this video I'm not going to do that because I am going to be adding highlights into this unit. So by the time I do that, you will not even be able to tell. But if you are leaving your unit black, you do want to go back and correct those roots if you have this problem. So y'all could just see here the difference between both sides. That's all I'm just showing y'all right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to be adding some highlights in here. I'm not an expert with these either. I just did the weaving method, took pieces and, you know, got my aluminum foil, my bleach, and went in. So yeah, like I said, this video is pretty much self-explanatory. So I'm sure you guys understand what's going on here. So here I'm just going to be showing you guys how to stop the bleaching process without, well, this step is used to prevent over processing. So you just want to start with the sections that you begin with and just spray it down with some water. Get a towel you do not care about and just spray them down to stop the process. So the top was not ready yet, so I just let that sit for a little while longer. But y'all, this is the end result. I really love how this color came out. I had to slow down this part for y'all, okay? Just so we can get into these highlights, y'all. They came out so gorgeous. Keep in mind the curl pattern did not change. The texture did not change. This hair is super soft. It's so curly. It's just gorgeous. And these highlights just set it off. So yeah, eventually I'll be showing you guys a close-up of the hairline and the color and why I said it was okay to not correct those roots. Alright y'all, so as y'all can see, the unit is complete. I mean, obviously I haven't installed it just yet, but yeah, I'm talking about the color. Like, yo, this came out super bomb, okay? Like, obviously I already have a few units that's this deep curly texture. I have a bob one, I have a long one, blah blah blah. So it's like I didn't want to, and those are black, mind you, so I didn't want to keep it in the same color, the same, you know, I wanted this to look different. And I'm glad I went with highlights because yeah, this is exactly what I wanted, exactly what I needed. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and install this unit the same way I install all of my other units, using a Got To Be Free spray along with my blow dryer. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see how I do that. Alright, so as y'all can see, the wig is now glued on. I did not use multiple layers of this. I just did one good layer of cross and blow dried it. We're done. Yeah, so I'm thinking, do I want to do, I'm gonna do a little bit of baby hairs, not much, but y'all, I am really feeling this unit. Like, I really love it. It's super soft. Like, I think that's the main thing. That's what I look for when it comes to my units. Like, if it come out the box feeling a little rough, I'm gonna know for a fact that it's not gonna cut it. It's not gonna work for me, okay? But this right here is super soft. That's Belly, y'all. Yeah, I mean, by now y'all should already know. She got to make some type of noise. So anyway, yeah, the unit is super soft. Even after I bleached it, it's still very soft. Like, I can't even feel a difference. And as y'all can see, these highlights are pretty light, and it still feels the exact same. Like, feels the same in texture, no difference at all. The only thing I can say is that the unit did shed just a little bit, not much. As y'all can see, this is what I got. but this was just now as I was running my fingers through it with the foam and everything. And I really do feel like it's because I bleached it, because prior to me bleaching this unit, I had no problems. And I'm not talking about bleaching the knots, I'm talking about adding the highlights in it. I had no problems out of this unit, no tangling, no shedding, none of that. But it is shedding just a little bit now, like I said, and I think it's because I put the highlights in it. But other than that, absolutely no shedding. I mean, absolutely no tangling. I can literally run my fingers straight through this unit. Like I said, it's super soft. The texture didn't change because of the bleach, which that is definitely a great thing. That is a sign, you know what I mean, that shows you, that'll let you know whether you got, you know, some good hair or not. Because normally, and I left this stuff on for a little while. I left it on for a little minute while I left the bleach on for a little while. But yeah, like I said, it's super soft and I really don't have any complaints. And I know it's just day one, we will definitely see. But yeah, y'all, look at those highlights. Super pretty, right? Super pretty, y'all. This is definitely a whole look. I know we're quarantined right now, we cannot hit these streets, but baby, when I say this is definitely a spring summer look, these highlights set it off and I'm so happy that I tried them. But yeah, so that wraps up this video, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe, and stay safe, stay blessed. I love you all, and until next time,